So we're here at Falkirk, looking at Falkirk East Reach Lock Flight. Through our own internal investigations and working with our framework partners and consultants, we have determined that there are significant decay, certainly with the existing timber lock gates. That then brings problems and issues in terms of safe navigation. We've got a duty of care to our own operation staff, our volunteers, and also to the boaters, the people that use it on a day-to-day basis. So the capital investment and continued capital investment on this journey of lock gate strategy is really, really important. So this lock flight here, where we are, and in general the lowland canals, back in the very early 70s, 80s, they were dumping grounds. They had no vision, no future. They were a place to be feared, not welcomed. People didn't walk the towpaths, people didn't sail. There were cars, there were tyres, there was mattresses, there was every sort of conceivable debris in these canals, and that wasn't right. The canals were choked with weed. Sometimes it was hard to tell where the canal was and where the grass was. It was green, it looked exactly the same. So the journey of regeneration and improvement through not only our own internal funding, but working in partnership with our third-party funders as well, we've improved the canals, we've brought them back to life, we've given them vision. And the blue-green space that you see today is the end result, but not the final result, because we're still on that journey of what can be achieved. And that vision needs to continue, and that belief needs to continue, that there are bigger things to come. These national assets have got so much to give the people of Scotland.